Pwede mo bumi.
What is that?
It's a love gun. Pew, pew.
Parang baril.
Put it down. Put it down.
Why?
It's dirty.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yes, yes, yes. It's Sunday, so
Mommy,
we need to go in our farm.
small mango.
Look at this.
Small mango.
Ang dami. Oh, cut the mango. Oh my god, this is too big.
Ada. Ada.
Oh god. Hello, hello, Sister Anima.
Every second.
How are you?
They can eat every second simulator. Wait, that's red.
Hello, Idol Cayetano Abadadius. Thank you for watching. That's a lot. Ang dami na niyan.
Ang dami. Pupo na yun na yun.
Mommy,
You need to come here.
I have tiny packets.
Hmm?
I have tiny packets. This one and this one.
How many packets do you have?
2.
2.
Mommy, but this is a tiny packet.
Eggplant.
This name should be Timothy. Mommy,
What's that?
Parang eggplant.
Oh my God. Wala to, no? Tapon. Itatapon natin, no? Hindi naman. Sister, thank you for coming to my live. Sis Anima Mahato, thank you.
give me. Oh my God, this is a little baby. His name should be James. Mommy, super small. Super small mango.
Say thank you for the stars. Say thank you for the 10 stars.
Thank you for the 10 stars.
Give me.
Nagbigay siya ng 10 stars.
Give me.
Say thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the 10 stars.
Thank you so much.
Sit up, bro.
His name should be.
Caramel.
How do you know I can see that?
Mango. Ang liit.
Thank you so much for the 10 stars. Sis Anima. Hi, Sis Joanna Rose. Thank you for watching.
Baka may usok.
Meron na, ano sila dyan.
Barbecue.
Nag-ano. Daddy yung saging. Ano yung pala? Okay na siguro.
This name should be Andy. This name should be Dandy. That name should be Baldy.
Good morning, good morning. 11:07 na pala.
Daddy, look. I can destroy this. Hello, guys. It's Timmy. Today, we're gonna play golf. The next mango I'm gonna name is Tyler.
Lots of love to Sis Anima Mahato. Thank you. Thank you, Sisi Joanna. Manguha kami ng mangga kasi ang dami ng bunga. Ang dami na naming nakuha. Ito, oh. Ito yung pinaka-small sa kanila. Ang liit. Look, super small. Bakit kinuha nila to? Ang liit-liit niyan.
Daddy, look, I got a big stick.
What's that?
It's a big stick.
Anong gagawin mo dyan?
And then take off the skin. Then it's gonna be bald.
Cutest baby, sabi ni Sis Anima.
Ahoy.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
It's too hot.
I found a vase.
Here.
Guys, I found a vase.
Nalalaglag na yung mga mango.
A black vase.
Wala na tayong lagayan. Yung ano dito, look. Tatami ng bunga na ito, oh. Yung malunggay. Pwede na ba ito kunin? Hindi ko pa talaga natitikman to. Malunggay. Bunga na malunggay. Ito, oh. Hindi ko alam paano anuhin to. Lutuin. Ang alam ko lang this one, dahon lang. Nak, yung towel mo, nak. Tsaka ito, guys.
Paper man.
Sinong nakakaalam dito sa bunga na to?
Here's tied
Ayan, oh. Ang dami niyang bunga. Until there. Hindi ko lang alam kung nakakain to, ah. Prutas ba to? I don't know kung prutas yan.
Pee-pee. You have now poo and pee-pee.
Rap.
Ano ba yung stars? Anong ginagawa sa stars? Anong ba ginagawa sa stars?
Ano pa yung ano niya? Sabi niya. This is a different area where you can do war for painting or the same. Oh my gosh.
His name should be Tung 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 Sabun. And this one is Tralala Tralele.
Tama na, ma'am. Tama na kaya.
There's a banana there.
But you have that one over there. Small. Mommy, is this enough mangoes? Huh?
Liit pa. Sobrang baba ng mga mangga. Hindi pa yata yan. Daming bulaklak doon. Kinukuha na namin guys yung iba kasi ang tagal namin bago makapunta ulit dito. Linggo. Lingguhan ng punta. Oo nga sis Evelyn eh. Sayangan nila eh. O, tiga mo. Ano yan? Rider? Wow! Look at that.
Ang tama na to, ma'am. Ang dami na.
It's okay. Ibibigay naman natin yan eh.
Hindi, wala nang tayong lagayan.
Mayroon pa doon plastic.
Chicken nuggets?
Ang laki.
Chicken nuggets?
May plastic pa doon.
Chicken nuggets? Kuya
Ang lalaki ng mga mangga.
Rabin, come here. Kuya Rabin, chicken nuggets.
Hindi kasi baka maano lang, masira lang sila pag di kinuha eh. Pag di natin inano, baka mabulok lang. Pag di siya
Bad. YouTubers do this.
smells bad.
We're gonna find something valuable for the water. Hello, I'm under the water. Please help me. Mami, Sito.
Say hi to my live. Say hi. Okay, that's enough. Put it down na.
Okay.
Okay.
Madami.
Madami. Malit pa ba?
That's mango.
He's dancing. Umiinit yung phone ko kanina kaya parang nag-ano siya. Meron pa dun. Dalawa kasi yung puno dito ng mangga. Yung isa yan, yung pinakamalaki. Maraming bulaklak pero hindi pa ganong ano. Hindi pa siya madaming bunga. Mga ilan-ilan. Dami niyang bulaklak. Tsaka hiwa-hiwalay sila ng yung bunga niya. Hiwa-hiwalay. Ang dami niyang bulaklak talaga, oh. Ayan, ang dami niyang bulaklak. May airplane. Tsaka ito naman, maliit lang siya na mangga, pero ang dami niyang bunga. Napakadami niyang bunga, grabe. Ang dami na naming nakuha. So yun guys, pagkatapos nito, pupunta ulit kami dun sa isa pang farm, sa Alfonso. Malapit lang din naman yun dito. Ay, daddy mayroon pa dito sa kabila, yun oh. Bakanting lote lang to, bakanting lot. Kuya, o yung ano mo towel? Yun lang guys, salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa live ko. Ay, nag-switch account mo na ako. Hi Sisi Joanna, thank you for the star. Thank you so much. Talagang nag-switch ka pa talaga para makapag-send ng star. Thank you.